Alright guys, welcome back to another video at Moorhead Homestead. We got a little special day. I got me and Hallie today. We're going to go out. We're going to hop in the deer stand here in a little bit. But first we're going to go to this other place I got. And we're going to pull our SD card just to see what's on there. See if we want to go there in the morning. And then we're going to head on over to the place we're going. It is super windy. Look at this. It is 75 degrees. Middle of November. The wind's blowing probably 30 miles an hour. It is crazy. Don't know how much footage we're going to get, but we're going to get some footage and we're going to have fun. Ain't that right, Sissy? All right, let's go check this card. That means the cows found my... And see, that's the bad thing about this place. It's a great place to hunt. There's only 7 cows on this 150 acre place, but you always got to move your corn because they're constantly finding it. And then they'll beat your camera around the tree like that and knock it all off. I had it about 200 yards that way before, and they found it, and it's only been a couple days. And I know that deer didn't eat all this corn that was right here. What do you think, Sissy?
I think some of the cows came.
You think the cows came? Yeah, well, let's just go ahead and take this whole camera. You want to?
Yeah.
Or do you want to just switch cards and leave it out? We might as well just switch cards and leave it out. All right, here we go. So this is my tree stand. Hallie was a little confused as to why it was on the ground. If you guys aren't familiar, this is a climbing stand, so I'll get in there and I'll put my feet inside these straps here, and I'll climb all the way up the tree, and I set up right there, way up there by that split. All right, you ready to go to our spot we're gonna hunt? All right, let's go. Okay, I think I figured out why the corn got ate so fast. He clearly brought another load of cows out here, because that is about triple what was out here. So tell it is pretty windy out here today. I don't know how much of this footage I'm going to use, but this tree's shaking. What's that, Sissy? It's really shaking. But the wind was blowing like this yesterday, and the guy that sat in this stand, they seen 16 or 17 deer yesterday. Like 16 does and a spike. So with that many does in mid-November in an area, there's bound to be some bucks come through. I know a couple weeks ago, Buddy missed a 10-point out here, and the day before that he's seen a 16 and that same 10-pointer fighting right up on this fence line behind me right here. So with any luck, one of them will come through tonight. Like I said, I don't know how much you can hear me with this wind, but we're going to give it our best shot. So bear with us.
see that chair in the deer feeder.
Oh, well, maybe something comes in.
We're hearing noises behind us.
Yeah.
Walking noises.
Yeah, there's a big thicket behind us. There's a big thicket behind us. I don't know if you can see. Sounds like something's walking through it, but it's probably a squirrel or something. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a squirrel. I think it's a squirrel.
It's getting just about that time, though, to where these deer are going to start coming out. The wind's actually laying down a little bit. Although it's still blowing probably 15. It was blowing more like 30. So, with any luck, gotta see the sun fading down. Maybe the sun will get up on his feet. Where's all the deer? She said, I thought you said this place was good. My informant told me he said 17 last night. We still got about 30 minutes left, so things can happen fast in November. Was hoping there was going to be a buck come out, or another deer come out right there, where that one did. I thought I was recording when she first came out, but I looked up at the screen and it wasn't, so I got a shot of her across the field. But she came out like 15 yards from us. I was hoping there's going to be something behind her, but we've waited five minutes or so and ain't nothing come through. About another 10 minutes of shooting light left, maybe.
Coyotes howling. Coyote.
What's that?
A coyote.
Yeah. Maybe they'll push some deer out of that thicket.
That'd be good.
Well, Sissy, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Will you come back with me again one time?
Mm-hmm. Might come back in the morning.
You want to come back in the morning? This could be a good place in the morning. Man, that wind's still getting it. Alright guys, well it's pretty much too dark to be shooting now. This camera's actually picking up a lot more light than what I thought it would. This is my first time videoing at night with it, so we're gonna go ahead and sneak out of here and head back to the truck. Mama's got dinner ready for us, so we may come back out in the morning out here, or we may go somewhere else, but she's wanting to hunt again in the morning, so we'll give it a shot. I want to thank everybody for tagging along with us tonight. It's not the normal video at Morehead Homestead, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Me and Hallie got to spend some good time together and do a little father-daughter bonding. We don't get to do a lot of that because Hunter's always wanting to go with me, but I made him stay home tonight. So we're going to head and sneak out. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you guys subscribe if you would and smash that like button. Got anything, Sissy? Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. God bless.